Well, welcome back. We have the Duplicate Bridge Club here, and our lovely ladies are going to tell us all about some fantastic events that are coming up. Well, welcome. Thank you both for being here as usual.
Thank you for having us.
It's always a pleasure. So, well, let's just launch right off with the very first event that's going to be February 8th and 9th, and that is right around the corner.
That's this weekend,
Yes.
It's an annual event, our Saddleback Sectional. It's an opportunity for everybody to earn some silver points, which are vital on the path for Life Master status within the Bridge Club.
Right.
Within the Bridge world, I should say. And it's a wonderful event. It's managed by Marjorie Michelin, and she does a wonderful job. She's so attentive to everybody that attends. But the important thing that you need to know is that on Saturday, there are 2 events. The first one starting at 10 o'clock in the morning, and then there will be lunch available for purchase, and then the second event starts Saturday at 2:30 in the afternoon.
Right, okay.
Each session is $13 for ACBL members, and now there also is what we call knockout, a compact knockout. And that's a little bit of a different event, but same schedule.
Okay.
Okay. And then on Sunday, we have team games. And the team games are always so much fun. They're Swiss teams. The cost includes lunch. So you pay as a team, and you know everything's included. For the open players, it's a double session. So if you sign up for the morning, you're there in the afternoon too. But for our newer players, our 0 to 499 players, you can play a single session. You're more than welcome to stay all day, but otherwise you can play either in the morning or in the afternoon. So that's a nice opportunity.
Nice. Yeah, because you might be overwhelmed by the time
exactly.
you play that first one.
Yes.
Okay, all right, excellent. Now, are you full? You're not full.
Oh, we don't take reservations.
Oh, okay.
So
you just
it's just you know everybody.
Perfect.
We accommodate everybody.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, perfect. All right, good. So then that's this weekend, and then when's the next event?
Well, the next event that I would like to talk about is, are we on the screen? No, let's go to our GNT. Oh, there it is.
Okay, perfect.
Grand National Teams. Okay, this is a big event, and we're so happy that this year the Laguna Woods Bridge Club is sponsoring events to qualify. Okay, these are, they will be held on Monday evening. At 6 o'clock, there's a light dinner, and the games start at 6:30.
Okay.
They will be Monday, February 17th, Monday, March 2nd, and Monday, March 16th. And the reason that we're putting them in so quickly is because the finals will be held at the regional in San Diego in April, the second week of April.
Okay.
So these are, we're so happy to finally have them back again. We do Grand National pair qualifying events, but this is the first time we've had the team events in several years.
So this is exciting for sure.
It is very exciting.
And I see of the different flights, obviously, so you need to sign up accordingly.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, nice. And there is a fee for this. It's $5 for residents per person and $12 for non-residents.
Correct.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you, Lisa.
Okay.
Yes.
Perfect.
Yeah.
All right, good.
Okay,
And the next item,
moving
which is on
along.
the 19th.
Well, we want it. Well, you know,
Right? Which one do you want to do?
Well, we can do either the 19th or the cruise. What do you have up there?
Let's do the 19th because that's
19th.
before the cruise.
Okay, so
So Greta, what are you talking about the cruise, Greta?
Yeah, I'll talk about the
We're going to
cruise.
let you talk about the most important and fun.
Oh.
Okay, so go ahead and tell me about this workshop.
okay, this is called Entry Management and Improving Your Play and Defense.
Okay.
And of course, my favorite bridge teacher, Marjorie Michelin, will be conducting this class.
She is all over the place, isn't she?
Well, and that's
She's
true.
the best.
Yes. Oh, she is. Yeah.
Listen, she's wonderful.
You
and
guys
she-
always say great things about her.
And she lives in Laguna Woods.
Oh,
so
well, that's
we
even
claim.
better.
Yeah, we're claiming
Nice.
her. Yeah.
Greta, what do you like about her?
Well, I like the way she teaches. She does the PowerPoint, and then she does the hands that relate to the message that she's trying to impart. And she really is just right there with people, and she has a lot of fans that will come because of her doing
She has
it.
a following.
Yeah,
Sure.
she really has
Yeah.
a following.
Well, I know you guys have talked about her in the past and how hands-on she is, like you're saying, and she's helpful and
She
probably
really
very
is.
articulate, I would imagine,
Oh,
too.
I was at
Yeah.
her last session she did, and she really has it together.
Well, good.
Yeah.
Well, more power to her. Okay,
So that will
perfect.
take place on Wednesday, February 19th from 9:30 to 11:30.
Okay.
And the cost is $10. So
Okay.
it's a very reasonable workshop.
Excellent. All right, perfect. And then, boy, last but not least, the granddaddy of them all. You want a drum roll?
Cruises are wonderful. I have worked on 7 cruises in the past as a bridge
Wow.
director, and it is just a marvelous way for people to enjoy the cruise and also to have a lesson in the morning and have a bridge game in the afternoon for which they can earn master points. And
Okay.
people really have a good time. I was relating that I did a cruise a few years back out of San Diego. We had 50 people from the club that went on the cruise. And so I had a workshop every morning, and I thought, oh, they won't all come to the workshop. They were there bright and early every afternoon. I had 2 sessions of bridge going, and I did that for 10 days out of the cruise.
Wow.
Yeah.
So that's awesome. And everybody came.
And everybody came, and everybody loved it. And I think this is going to be a wonderful cruise, too. And
Yeah.
it is being sponsored by the Bridge Club and the Chicago Club. And
Okay.
the thing is, people have to realize they have to get their registration in early. I've heard
It's February 10th.
and that's
So
right around the corner.
February 10th is the cutoff?
Yeah.
Yes. And this
oh,
is
that
the
is
5th.
like next week.
Yes, yes.
Oh,
So
okay.
that's why we're really touting this right now,
Right.
because we need to get the people signed up.
Okay.
So I think Marjorie is the director for.
Yes, her husband Ellis will be directing,
Right.
and Marjorie will be controlling things. Let's put it that way. No,
Okay.
no, no. She'll
Yes.
be doing the teaching and things like that.
Right.
And is there a cutoff in terms of spots? Or it can be, I mean, obviously, if there's
If
rooms
they don't,
available.
yes, yes.
Okay.
But we are encouraging people, if they would like to attend, to please register before the 10th of February.
Okay.
And the dates for the cruise are April 25th
Right.
through May 2nd.
Right.
And
Okay.
it's a Holland America ship.
Yeah, that looks great. A 5-star.
5-star.
Amsterdam.
And
Yes.
Holland America still has bridge rooms on their ships.
Oh.
Princess got rid of them. Some of the other ships got rid of them, but Holland America still has the
Great.
nice bridge rooms, and this
Excellent.
should be wonderful.
And you guys are going to Vancouver, British Columbia. Well,
Sailing
that'll
out
be
of San
lovely.
Diego.
Out of San
Vancouver is
Diego.
a wonderful city.
Oh, that's great. And so
Yeah.
you still have time to go and do excursions and things like
Oh,
that, right?
definitely.
Okay.
yes, right.
Yes.
Perfect. You can still, do the wave boarding and all that. I'm just kidding. All right. Well,
That's very optimistic of you,
I
Lisa.
know. Well, that is great. Well, thank you, ladies, so much. I appreciate it. And wow, you have your hands full for the next few weeks. So
We're so excited.
all right.
Yes,
Excellent.
right.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
And remember, if you guys want any information, the Bridge Club always is available. These gals really put a lot of great things together for you guys. So make sure you contact them. We'll be right back.
Thank you.